Seriously though, you are like the only person I know who gets so worked up about yourself. I seriously do not get it.
More weeb fighting. Oh, there's Shizua from Durara.
I've only played as him so far.
Fighting.
I think it's... wait, no, versus. Who's fighting me?
Me?
Who's gonna beat me?
Where's the controller? I swear I got the gold one. I'll only play one. Ah, yeah, beat you to it. I'll be Durara, dude, because that's the only freaking anime I've ever seen. Support character.
I forgot there's another character I haven't unlocked. I'll be Devlyn's favorite character.
Oh, this is another Durara guy.
Oh yeah, there's like... I'm not sure if that's the only one. I thought there was Isaiah, but...
Now what's his name again? Like Itchy or something?
Who?
The blonde hair dude.
Shizua.
I thought it was different.
His name is right there.
Oh. Well, it's in black. I can't see black.
Yeah, I'll go with Toma.
Toma, come here! We just picked that!
You chose a night stage.
A night stage duel! You Hujawama versus Kirinu Housewife. I don't like you, bitch.
Okay.
Run.
So you're gonna want to pause and look at the controls.
Alright, let's find this shit out here. Weak. Like me. Medium, triangle, strong, support.
You're gonna want to set those.
A and B.
No, don't press that.
Shit.
Just press the button.
Oh, like what?
I would make those the back buttons, yeah.
Okay.
And accept. Wait. No. Go back.
God damn it.
No, but to the command list. Because these are the combos you're gonna need.
Shut it. Why do I need combos? I can just button mash.
Oh, okay.
Let's fucking do it. Walk up to you all slowly and cool. Okay.
Oh, you little...
Oh, dude, is that really a vending machine? He actually throws it?
Oh, dude. He does a lot of cool things.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
But you need to know the combos to do them.
Whatever. I don't need any. Oh, see, I got a 5-hit. I'm pretty good. Look at me, I'm...
Damn it.
Ooh, I like this. Beach ball.
Oh my god, I do not know this character's combos.
I'm gonna get you. I did it!
Freaking button masher. I can't do this without combos. I need to know them.
God damn it.
Okay. Wait. Why are those pointing different ways? Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ow! Lockjaw.
Wait, so these are basically like the same. Okay.
Ha! Yeah!
You will.
What the hell was that? I
Oh
don't even know what I just did.
You hit so fast.
Well, that was just a waste. Let's get out of here. Ow.
I hate you so much.
What the hell?
Freaking.
Well, this dude's a fucking machine.
This move was really good. God.
I'm gonna waste my time. You win.
I hate you. Button masher.
Dead, 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 dead.
Ah, no.
Alright.
What did I do?
Rematch.
No. I didn't want that.
Yeah. And Kelty.
Something.
Same damn
I
thing.
think, actually. I'm not sure.
I don't know. I don't speak Wapanese. No, damn well I'm picking.
No!
File.
Someone different.
Alright, how do I get back out?
Circle?
No.
What?
I think I already selected.
Oh. No.
Oh,
Okay,
oh,
well,
okay.
apparently all the buttons, all the face buttons do everything, so.
Oh, we got the same support. What do you mean? Yeah, that's like the only reference I get in this whole show. That, and I know that he and Isaiah have like sexual frustrations for each other.
What?
Yeah. Like, they have like this huge like fan fiction following between him and Isaiah. They see him as like a couple. It's like yaoi or something. My virgin ears, so I don't get back over in my corner. God damn it. Ow.
Okay, so now she doesn't have the same command list. Oh god, this is gonna... I don't understand without it. So much you shocked. Okay. Okay.
Oh, I'm still standing
God.
still.
Whoa.
That's a murder! Oh, come on, man. You gotta hit him. Did I just pull out a guardrail?
Yeah. That's his, what they call his trump card move. You just use it freaking like 3 times in a row. I don't know how.
Me neither. Yeah, get your K-Way shit out of here, buddy. Yeah.
I hate you so much. I swear to God.
Oh, I missed completely. Shit. God damn it. Hit him. Hit her. Or her. Yeah, there you go. That's what you want to do. Oh my god. Alright, time to show my real skill. I can beat you with anyone.
Your real skill.
My real skill.
I hate you.
So what are we gonna do about the Skyrim thing?
What do you mean?
We're gonna keep it or not?
I don't see why not.
I mean, it was really boring. So it's like either way. Oh, who's this guy?
That's from Virtua Fighter.
Oh, supposed to be, looks like Ken or Ryu. Let's go back with Kelty.
Why'd you do that?
I have no idea, man.
There's a random stage button.
Maybe I like to be random.